Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a what I eat in a day as well as a meal prep with me. Thank you to Blue Apron for sponsoring this video. Blue Apron is like a lifesaver for me. This is my self-care, is making sure my Blue Apron meals are coming every single week. It just saves me so much time. Today is basically a work day for me, but I also use half of my day to work and then half of my day to meal prep. It just makes life so much easier as a busy working mom. Today we're gonna be cooking some Blue Apron recipes. So today we're gonna be doing a sheet pan cheesy mango chicken dish that should take about 35 to 45 minutes. And we're gonna do a turkey lettuce cup dish that should take about 30 minutes as well. And I'm gonna take you guys along the way as I meal prep. We're also gonna be doing breakfast, which for breakfast, I'll typically have an egg white muffin and oatmeal. And the egg white muffin recipe is so easy to make, guys. It is a game changer, like, for the entire family, because even if people like different things in their eggs, you can customize them, bake them all at one time, and breakfast is already ready. And it also kind of gives me like omelet vibes. So when I say muffin, I'm not really meaning like bread. I'm gonna show you guys the recipe shortly. But the thing that I love about meal prepping Blue Apron dishes like once a week is that since I am doing a pan dish that's gonna go in the oven and then something on the stove, I can kind of cook them at the same time. Right now, I'm just prepping the vegetables for the mango cheesy chicken meal, and I'm gonna start by starting with that one since it takes a little bit more work. Things that I've been loving lately are how Blue Apron has up to 50 options a week. So every single week there's different things. So we're never eating the same things. We still haven't got like any repeat recipes. Now, if you really love a recipe, you definitely can try to get that one again. I love how everything is customizable, so you can add, swap, or even upgrade your ingredients. They also have WW recommended recipes. I was doing WW for a while, so I like that that was on there. And they also have signature faves, premium recipes, vegetarian meals, and wellness options. Blue Apron is definitely a flexible service too, so if you signed up today and you felt like you wanted to skip a week or you needed to change your plan or your number of servings, you can always do that. Also, as a woman that's extremely busy, sometimes I don't have time to like run to the grocery store and get things, so I love that Blue Apron comes weekly and it has everything that I need for what I'm trying to make. So make sure if you're interested in trying Blue Apron, you can get for $110 off 5 boxes plus free shipping on your first box when you click the link in the description box. So now let's get back to cooking. I'm making this mango cheesy chicken, and I love that these recipes are things that I would never think of on my own. So I just prepped this meal and I'm gonna let that cook and go ahead and start preparing the produce for the turkey lettuce wraps. So after I get done prepping all my dinner meals, I move on to breakfast. For breakfast, I usually really do something simple. I love instant oatmeal. So I'll have some oatmeal and then I'll prepare me some egg whites. And for egg whites, I like to just spray the pan, and I'm gonna be using a carton of egg white. It makes it really easy. If you have just regular eggs, you can also just whisk those together and add the meat or vegetables that you would like into it. I'm only gonna do a couple with meat just because every day I don't want to eat the same. And after I get all the ingredients in here, I am going to go ahead and bake this on 350 for about 15 to 25 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. So in total, a meal prep day took me about 2 hours, and I rested some of the time. I sat down and let the egg whites baked. Now here's my breakfast options. We're going to be doing instant oatmeal and the egg whites. For snack, I have the Chobani flips and some dark chocolate almonds. Also picked up some hummus. I usually get Fresh Cravings, but I think the store was out. So we have hummus and pita chips. I love the roasted pepper flavor. That one's so good. So it's pretty easy, simple meal prep day. And also we're going to have tilapia for dinner. So I'm going to go ahead and make that. Let me know down below, do you guys usually meal prep or do you cook every single day? Love and blessings. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.